Welcome to Gem Weblog. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to create pop-up menu using J pop-up menu class. So first, what is mean by pop-up menu? So here, this is the pop-up menu which is available in Microsoft Word. Whenever right button of the mouse is clicked in the Microsoft Word, this pop-up menu will be displayed at the clicked position. So here J pop-up menu is used to create this pop-up menu. This is a small window that pop-ups dynamically at the specified position of the mouse click and displays the series of choices. When you talk about the hierarchy, J pop-up menu class belongs to javax.swing.j pop-up menu package, which has been derived from J component package. Now we'll go for demonstration for pop-up menu creation. So before we start our creating the pop-up menu, this is the basic code to perform the operation. First you have to include the necessary package and then you have to define a class. Inside the class you have to define a constructor. So inside the constructor you have to define a code to create a frame and display it on the screen. And then inside the main we have called the constructors. Now we'll start with creation of pop-up menu. So here there are two constructors which is available to create pop-up menu. Here pop-up menu with no argument and with label. Now we are going to create a pop-up menu with no argument. So J pop-up menu with PM equal to new pop-up menu. Once it has been created, we have to add this pop-up menu to the frame. Since we are going to display the pop-up menu on the frame. So F dot add of pop-up menu. Okay. So there is another way you can able to give the option as argument. Here if you are not passing the argument means you can set the label for the particular pop-up menu using set label PM dot set label of color. Either you can give your label using set label method or you can give as an argument to the constructors. So these are the two ways you can able to create the pop-up menu. Now we will discuss how to populate your pop-up menu with the menu items. For this you have to create the menu items. So we are creating two menu items, J menu items bi equal to new J menu item. So we are giving blue. So once it has been created, we are going to add that menu item into pop-up menu. So add dot bi. Again we are creating another one, green gi, meaning the caption is green. We are adding gi. Two ways you can able to pass the argument into the add method, either menu item object or string. So third we are going to add the string into the pop-up menu. We are passing red as a string directly into the add method instead of creating the menu item. So we have added the menu items into the pop-up menu. Next, how to display it? So here you have to think, whenever the mouse is clicked on the window, your pop-up menu has been created. Now here you have to add your event handling using mouse listener. Okay, we are not going to include all the methods of mouse listener, only mouse clicked event is going to add. So for this we are going to create mouse adapter. So add mouse listener. So once you created the mouse listener, you have to create the object for mouse adapter, since you are not going to override all the methods of mouse listener. So once you finished it, you are going to define the method of mouse clicked. So public void mouse clicked, which receives mouse event object E. So inside the method we are going to use the method show, so which will show or which will display the pop-up menu on the given invoker. Say invoker we are giving it as F. So it will display your pop-up menu on frame. Say fm dot show of F. Where it will show means you have to extract the location of mouse click. So for this, in order to get the x coordinate, get x of mouse, and if you want to get y coordinate, get y. So this will retrieve the x and y coordinates of the mouse click. So it will display a pop-up menu on the frame at x comma y. Now we will see. Now you have to add the package java.awt.event package for mouse listener. So when I right click it, you could see the pop-up menu has been displayed with 3 menu items: blue, green and red. Want to include the separators means you can use add separators pm dot separator. So it will add these separators at the end of the menu items. Now you could see the separator has been added at the end. Next, how to insert the menu items into the pop-up menu. So pm dot insert. So you have to pass the menu items component comma where you have to store it index. So for this we are creating the J menu item. So we are going to pass the orange color. We are going to insert at the index 1. Now you could see the orange has been inserted at the index 1. Next, how to set the size of this pop-up window. You can able to set in 2 ways, either pass the dimension object or directly by giving the width and the height. pm dot set pop-up size, just we are passing width and the height. So you could see the size of the pop-up menu has been changed to 100 × 100. Thank you.